What's up guys, one digital dude here, and I am so excited to be doing this video. So today in this video I will be showing you how to create drop down menu in WordPress. A drop down menu contains a list of options that is only displayed when your web users interact with your website menu. It is used for helping visitors find pages and content on your website. It also makes navigation easy by putting your web pages in categories. So I'm going to show you examples of drop down menus. So I have this website here, digitalmarketing.com. So like I said, a drop down menu is only displayed when your users interact with your menu. So for this website, all the menus do not have drop down options, but this particular one here, let me refresh this. So if I come to services, for example, so you see what happens when I interact with this menu. It displays a list of options I can click on, and not just that, if I come to this option, for example, it also displays a list of options under this search engine optimization. So this is how drop down menu works. Let me show you another one. So there's this particular site here. So this one has some styling added to it. So this is a drop down menu under education. If I come to market, you can see all the options under. So this is very, very useful for helping your users navigate your website easily. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a drop down menu like this one on this website here. So I'm going to jump into how to create a drop down menu on your website right now. But before I do that, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification to be the first to receive notification when I post new videos. Welcome back guys. So quickly, I'm going to explain how a drop down menu works on your website. First, you have to create the main menu, which are like the main pages of your website. Then you add what we call sub menus here. So I've created this table to illustrate and explain this. So here you can see these are my main pages here. Our services, about us, e-commerce. These are the main pages, but underneath these main pages I have sub menus here. So under our services, I have digital marketing, content creation, web design, animation, app development. Under about us, I have what we do, who we are, stories, FAQs, and under e-commerce, I have platforms, B2B. This is supposed to be Amazon. Sorry about the error. So these are my main pages, and these are my sub pages. So before you start creating your drop down menu, it is important for you to create a table like this that can guide you so that you don't get confused while creating your drop down menu. But there's also something else. Under my sub menu, I can also have this option. Again, I can also have a sub menu under my sub menu. Under this digital marketing, I can decide to create another drop down menu under digital marketing and have this page is listed underneath. So it is important for you to create this table as a guide to help you when you're creating your drop down menu. So let's go into creating our drop down menu in WordPress. Alright guys, so this is the website we'll be using. At the moment, you can see there's no drop down menu on this website. When you interact with the menu, it only shows you the over color and the background highlight I added as style for this menu. Alright, but we're going to do something now. We are going to create drop down menu for this website. So to do that, come to your WordPress backend here, then scroll down and come to appearance here. Then under appearance here, come to this option here, menu. So I'm going to click on menu. So when you click on menu, it brings you to this menu page here where you can create new menu or edit the current one you have. So I have my menu here. You can see this one here. but I'm going to create a new menu that we're going to use for our drop down menu. So to create a new menu, just come to this place here, click on create a new menu. So come here, let's name our menu. Let's call it drop down menu. So let's call it drop down menu. I'm gonna come here. I want it to display as main menu, create menu. So we've created this menu, guys. So what's left now is to add pages. Remember the picture I showed you earlier. We have the main pages and then we have the sub pages. So first I'm going to create my main pages here. I'm going to come here. So of course you should have home page, blog page, about us. I have these pages already on my website, so I'm just adding them. What services? Okay, yeah, services and contact us. So these are the main pages I would have on my website menu. So I'm just going to click add to menu. All right, guys. So I've done this add to menu. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to save this, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create our sub pages. So let me show you what our sub pages look like again. Alright guys, so this is what our sub pages look like. So the most important thing is to put this thing in order. So at first we have our main pages here, then we have our sub menu here, and then we also have other options under this sub menu. So I have the main pages already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create these pages here: digital marketing, content creation, web design, animation. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have about 16 pages I'm going to create. It would have been easier if I had created them already, but I'm just going to quickly do that. Come back to WordPress here. Remember to save this. Let's save this here. Then to create pages, just come here, come to pages here, click on add new. So we want to create extra pages. The first one I want to create here is digital marketing. So I'm just going to do this quickly because it's going to take a lot of time to create all the pages on that screen. So first page, I'm just going to do digital marketing. Then I'm just going to go straight to publish because of time. So guys, I'm going to repeat this process for the other pages. Alright guys, so I have all my web pages ready. So let me just scroll down and show you. So all the pages I need for this, although I skipped like 4 pages because of time, I didn't create that. So these are my pages here. So what we're going to do now is we are going to follow this order we have here. First the main pages, then our sub pages, then we also add other sub pages under that. So let's go back to our menu page to do that right now. So come back to appearance again, come to menu. Alright, so this is our drop down menu. So I've added the main pages we need on our website. Okay, so let me see. So e-commerce is missing, so let me add e-commerce as a main page first. So going to come down, let me see if I can find that here. Okay, let me come to view all. So this is e-commerce. Then I'm just going to add e-commerce to menu. So I have my main page. Remember, it is in order. The main page is first before your sub menus. Alright guys, so the next thing we want to do now is create our sub menus. To create our sub menus, I'm going to start with this one here, services. So under services we have digital marketing, content creation, web design, animation, and app development. Now to create your sub menu, what you do is let me come up again. So come to view all so that you can see all your web pages. Then you will look for all the pages related to this page here, services, and this is what you would do. So the first one is digital marketing. So click on digital marketing. The next one, content creation. So let's just select all the pages we need for our service page. Web design, let me just quickly check the last one, animation and app development. So let's go up, animation, then app development. So we'll select this pages, add to menu. Now what you want to do to create your sub menu, so these things here, these menu options here, you can drag and drop them. Yeah, so it is easy to drag and drop, you see. So you can move them around. Just so what we are going to do is to create our sub menu here. We are going to put all these pages here under our service page. So I'm just going to come here. This is our service page here. So I'm going to take digital marketing and bring it here. So if I bring it here, digital marketing is still a main page, but I'm going to drag it to the right. So once I drag it to the right, can you see it becomes a sub item? So I'm going to bring these other ones to here, just drag it to the right, it becomes a sub item. Web design, drag it to the right, it becomes becomes a sub item. Animation also, drag it to the right. So all you are doing is arranging them under the right pages. So I'm going to click save menu now and go to our website. So let me come here and refresh this, and you will see what we have done. Alright, so right now guys, so you can see our service page here. It has this arrow. If I come here, you can see the drop down menu. So this is how you create your drop down menu in WordPress. Now under this service, remember our page here. So under digital marketing, I also have sub items under digital marketing. So I'm going to come back here and add Facebook, Facebook ads, social media, email marketing, and SEO. So let's come back here. Now to do that again, so we're going to drag the necessary pages we need for social media marketing. For digital marketing, so social media, SEO, Facebook ads. I think I added one more thing here. Let me quickly go back. Okay, email marketing. All right, so let me come to view all. Email. Oh, I did not create a page for that, so I'm just going to select the ones I created: social media marketing, SEO, and I think Facebook ads. So once again, add to menu. Then what you want to do again is you are going to drag these pages here to create a sub item for digital marketing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it here. If I put it here, it becomes a sub item, but I'm not going to put it here. You can still drag it further to the right here. So I've created, so the way it works is, this is like a parent page, this is a sub page, then this is a sub page under this also. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to bring SEO, put it here, social media marketing, put it here. So can you see the arrangement now, guys? I have my main pages, I have my sub item here. I also have some other sub item underneath. Now you can also drag it further to the right again if you want this, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to do this. No, bring it here. So pay attention to the arrangement, and I'm going to click save menu. So let's go back to our site, guys. Let me refresh this, and then we'll see what happens. So if I come down to services, I add my drop down menu. Now if I come to digital marketing, can you see, guys, I also have a drop down menu for that. Now I can keep going on and on and on and add other pages to this. So this is how you create your drop down menu in WordPress, guys. So quickly, I'm going to add the sub menu for the other pages, and I'm going to show you what the entire thing looks like. So I'm going to click on save menu. Then there's one thing you can also do. Already I selected where I wanted my menu to display here, but you can also come up here so let me make sure I save this again. So you can also come up here and manage location and then choose where you want your menu to be. So my main menu, already I selected drop menu. So this is the first one I created. This is the second one. So drop menu, save changes. Now I'm going to come back to the website. I'm going to refresh this, and you're going to see all the drop down menu we've created. So our home page does not have a drop down menu. Blog does not have. So if you come to about us, you can see the drop down menu. When you click on this page, it takes you to a new page. We also have what we do. I do not have for contact us, but I have for services. I also created a sub menu for digital marketing. Then if you come to e-commerce, you have this option. So that's how you create drop down menu in WordPress, guys. Thank you for watching.